Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out Adduco, which is in a lifetime deal right now. So if you guys find this video interesting or helpful, the link is going to be in the description. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about Adduco, which is in a lifetime deal right now for $79. It is not stackable. It is only for one company. So you can connect and change type of company, but it could only be one at a time. And I'll show you that in a bit. So this is what's included in the $79, which is lifetime access to Adduco's, unlimited MTUs, unlimited ads and posts, inside campus, audience builder, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what does Adduco do? Let's head over to the dashboard. What Adduco does is connect your Instagram, Facebook, and Google Analytics in one to kind of create your own audience based on the public that visits your sites and your social media accounts. Now, those are the three social medias that are available right now, but they're going to be adding more. Where do we add these? Let's head on over to settings and head over to integrations. And you can see I have connected my Facebook ads, Google Analytics, and Instagram. Now, if I click on the plus button, I can change these accounts and I can also view what's coming next. So social networks, you can see these are in grayish, so they're not available right now, but they're going to be. So Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and let's check out these other ones. And all these integrations, Google Ads, Google Market Platform, MailChimp, Bing Ads, and just so those are the ones that Moz, SEO. All right, Intercom, Salesforce, HubSpot, pretty big companies that are going to be coming and going to be integrated. WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, and BigCommerce. So right now, like I said, it's only available like three social medias right now. And what it does is try to combine the three and create your own audience. Now, I'm not an expert on Adduco, so this is going to be an overview of what's going on. Now, it's going to point out there's some bugs, some visual bugs that I've found, and I've already told them. They have replied that they're going to fix them really soon. So one of the bugs is, like, for example, if I view this right now, you can see like this is overlapped on the back one. Now you can see there's no information here because these are future publications. So these are ads that I've been doing, but they haven't been posted yet. So it's, for example, we're not at July 5th, 8th, or 17th. So the ones that are active, you can see them right here. The ones that are turned off are over here. So we can have like an overview of the campaigns, which are published right now. And you can see the reach, impressions, results, cost per results, and cost per results over here. So 28 cents is for this one. So it gives you an example. And if for some reason you say, hey, you know what? Hey, this one's costing me 1.24 instead of the usual 0.02 or 0.0 or 0.20, I can turn it off. Like you can see, I just turned it off and it's not showing anymore. So it's not wasting my advertising spend. Now, I know you're gonna say, hey, some of the things we're gonna see on Adduco, you can already do them in Facebook business page or Facebook ads page. Yes. But the thing is, it's more user-friendly. It's based for more like people who don't want to go into in-depth in the Google page, and you want to do it in here because it's way more friendlier. Or you like the integration that it has from the other social medias, and it creates your profile. That's one of the key reasons why you want to use this. So let's check out what is ad sets. You can see this right here. These are the ad sets. These are the ads. Like I said, these ones that are gray is because they haven't been published yet. So these are published already, and you can see what the amount of views are, results, and all that good stuff. Next thing that we have is the campaign. So over here in campaigns, you got all of these campaigns also. Same information as the other one, but we can also create. So in the creation, you're going to see this, that we can actually create an ad and publish it to Facebook from here. Now, Facebook is the integration that's available right now to publish the ads. I think Google is coming next, so Google Ads is that one. So, like I said, it's like a more user-friendly. Let's just go a little bit in depth in this. So you got the objective category you can do for awareness, and it gives you like an explanation of what it does. Consideration or conversions, it depends what the campaign is going to be about. So I'll just say, you know what, awareness. Do you want to brand awareness or reach? Hey, you know what, I want to do reach. Details about the campaign. In this case, it's going to be test. What language do you want to target? So we'll just leave it English for now. And target keywords. For example, this is a Spanish site, and it's about kitchens. So I got kitchens, closets, and kitchen fabrication. So I'll just put kitchen just in case, all right? Kitchen. So label should be added there. Should be here. Hold on. As you can see, there's a bug right here, so I'll just select it. These bugs are expected with lifetime deals, because the whole reason of doing a lifetime deal is because you know what, they're beta, they need users, and you get a good price for it. That's why. Okay, so we got that set. Let's hit next. Create the ad set. The ad set. So is it going to be a daily budget? Is it going to be a lifetime budget? Say, you know what, I just want to spend 10 in the lifetime. I don't want to go over that. I don't want it to keep going. In these 10, how many days do you want it to go? And I want a 10. Such date on such hour. I think this is not available on the Google, what do you call it? The Google Ads, the Facebook Ads page. You can't set the ending hour. You can send the time frame that you want it to show, but not the ending hour. I could be wrong. All right. Labels, select them again. And over here, you can see automatic placement, custom placement. If we set custom, you just tell them where people who only have Wi-Fi, platforms, you know what? I don't want it to show in, let's see this one here, suggested videos. I don't want it to be there. I don't want it to show in the marketplace, and I don't want it to show in stories. Facebook by default tries to put all this, even if you don't want it. In Instagram, for example, it just depends on product you're selling, or if you're even available on Instagram. Maybe you don't want those type of users, so you just turn it off completely. It just depends on what you're going to use it for and what type of business that you're going to set it for. All right, so quick information there. Next thing we had is the audience. So we can create a brand new audience, or we can use the ones we have already created. In this case, let's do the audience by ourselves. So I'll select what age, select that. Easy, all male or female. Like I said, it's more user friendly, and you can see this right away. Where do you want this to be? Let's just say San Diego. Search that. Cities. Okay, we got geomarkets, city. It's giving me some Mexico suggestions because in my profile it's set to Mexico, obviously. So I'll just put geotagging there. But there we go. Got San Diego. There it is. Information there, and we got the targeting. What target do you want to reach? So like I said, this is way more user friendly, and I can tell you right away that it is, instead of doing it in Facebook, because you got the categories in a much easier format way. So for example, I want to reach interest, and I drag it in here, so that's my target. What's the target interest? And it gives you can see this is way more easier to use. So for example, you know what, it's beauty, and it's salons, toys, whatever you want, right? And for example, let's just say, in my example, it's a kitchen company. It sells kitchen cabinets. Who would want a kitchen? Well, people who are already in a relationship. So I just grab this. Hold on, let me pull a little bit down. Okay, add it down here. So it's interest and relationship. So what's the interest? It's gonna be, so for example, gonna be, hold on, relationship interest? Oh no, wrong, sorry. It's relationship status, not interest. Status. So there we go. So they want to be married, engaged. If they're engaged, they might want to buy a kitchen cabinet. And these are just examples that I'm giving of use cases so you understand what it's for. You're not gonna ask for someone who's divorced or widowed or separated. It just depends what type of product you're selling. So another option that you have here, and it's it's exclusions. You can add an exclusion right here. So for example, it can be an exclusion for someone to be, I don't know, their work status. If they don't have an employment, income, industry, net worth, it depends what you want to look for. But for example, hey, if he's unemployed, if he's searching for a job, he's not gonna want this type of product. You're talking a kitchen that's worth thousands of dollars. It's not a cheap product that it's like a TV and I'll get the offer for $200. No, it's an expensive product. So in this use case, I would suggest, for example, someone who's searching for a job, I don't want them to appear this type of ad. Examples, right? So like I said, it's way easier to create it here. So that could be one use case to get Adduco and not, because it just depends on everyone. Hey, maybe you're a super expert on Facebook ads and you say, you know what, I don't need that. And it's okay. It's all right. You know, it just depends on everyone. Then we have the audience. What we just created is an audience. This is the audience I have right now, and you can see where they're coming from. Like I said, this is a Mexico page that I have connected right now. And you can clearly see where the most people are from. You can see this from our pages, what the pages that are connected, right? And you can see all these right here, age and gender. And we can also create, or we can manage. Let's go to manage. Manage are the audience I already created. If I select one of these, I can actually edit one of them that are already created. So this is already created. You can see this. It's already created. In this case, I already got my users, what I'm targeting, and all that. So I can manage and I can modify the ones that are already created. Then we got press. Analyze articles. I'm not sure what this is. Just have a look of what it says. Haven't tested it, but okay. Looks like we can select Facebook. Facebook page search. So it looks like we can search other pages or not. Just hit enter. Okay, so there's a few posts. Yeah, it looks like you can check other people's pages. Okay, I'll analyze this. No insight available. Search an older one. Nope, no info there. Like I said, don't know what this is, but you guys get the feel of it. Then we got the posts. Obviously posts, well, are the posts that are already made. Check this out. So this is a post from the kitchen cabinet. And these are the information right now. It's one of the newest posts, so there's no info there. Go back. Search for an older one. See this one if it has info on it. Yeah, okay, likes, comments, engagement, reach, impressions. Okay, you can see the comments here. No insights, no data. There's currently not enough information regarding to determine the performance metrics. Okay, so maybe not enough information. Weekly engagement. I'm sure it should give you information because this was posted like 8 days ago. So those are posts. All right, guys. All right, well, you checked out what Adduco is. Decide if you want to grab it or not for a lifetime deal. Like I said, it's only for one company at a time. You can remove the company and add new ones in case you guys want that. Alright guys, like I said, if you guys find this video helpful and interesting, the link is going to be in the description, which is an affiliate link, and it's not going to cost you any more than what it says right there. Not a cent more, and it just helps me create more videos and grab more deals to make these videos for you. Alright guys, I thank you guys for watching this video. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. See you guys later.